Hi everyone, I'm Professor Shalini. Now let's start with new unit, that is unit 3, gyroscopes. In this unit we will see introduction to gyroscope, how angular acceleration is obtained by using gyroscope, then gyroscopic couple. We have generally seen gyroscope is generally used in aeroplanes or naval ships so that to determine the direction in which it is moving. That is to obtain the direction of movement we generally use gyroscope. This all we are going to see in unit 3. Now let me show you outline. In this lecture we will see introduction to gyroscope, history, basic principle of gyroscope, how gyroscope generally works, then various applications of gyroscope, advantages and disadvantages of gyroscope. Now we will move towards introduction of gyroscope. Generally, what is gyroscope? It is device connecting a rapid spinning wheel, a wheel that continuously spins or circulating beam of light that is used to detect deviation of object from its desired orientation. It is used to measure angular velocity or determine the position in which angular velocity is done. Gyroscope, we have generally seen this in ships, aircrafts or in steering mechanisms, etc. Most everyone has used gyroscope, but we are not familiar with concept of gyroscope, hence we fail to recognize that this is gyroscope. For example, in bicycle, front wheel can operate as an gyroscope. Now we will move towards the concept of gyroscope. Okay, introduction. What is basic definition of gyroscope? Gyroscope is a device that has a spinning wheel that is mounted on a base such that it can move freely in one or more than one direction. We can move in number of direction as we want so that the orientation is maintained irrespective of moment in the base. I will again repeat the definition of gyroscope: the device having a spinning disc that is mounted on the base such that it can move freely in one or more than one direction so that the orientation is maintained irrespective of moments in the base. As I said, common example is of bicycle wheel. Okay, in this we will see experiment of bicycle wheel. In this experiment, a person sits in the pivoting of his chair which holds a spinning bicycle wheel. Generally wheelchairs we have observed in offices, okay, business offices, etc. We are sitting on that chair and we are holding a spinning bicycle wheel. As a person tilts the spin axis to left, steamly invisible force begins to pivot his chair to left. Slightly her or his chair experiences a force that is towards left. This action is generally a property called as precision. This property will be discussed in general later. I will explain. This is very important property which is generally observed in gyroscope, that is precision. Okay. Now we will move towards history of gyroscope. In 1917, John created the first known gyroscope. Generally it is called as simply machine. In 1920, lab recommended the machine be used as a teaching aid. Okay, in 1952, again gyroscope was used in place of name machine in an experiment involving the earth's rotation. Okay, from 1905 to 1908, the first gyroscope for machine navigation was developed by German inventor. Okay, this is the main invention period of gyroscope, that is from 1905 to 1908. Okay, later in 1917, toy was invented by Cadel company in India. It is still considered a classic American toy. Okay, in 1991, again Charles Darper Laboratory demonstrated one of the first MES or vibratory gyroscope fabricated in silicon. Now we will see basic principle of operation of gyroscope. Okay, we will see basic principle. The working principle, as I said is rotating about precision. Working principle of gyroscope is based on gravity. It is generally based on gravity and is explained as product of angular momentum. We all have studied angular momentum in mechanics, which is experienced by torque on disk, that is to produce gyroscopic precision in spinning wheel. Gyroscopic precision is generally produced in spinning wheel. This process is nothing but a gyroscopic force or gyroscopic motion, and is, we can say it, a tendency of rotating object, that is to maintain the orientation of its rotation. To maintain the orientation of its rotation, this gyroscopic motion or gyroscopic force is used. Okay, that is gyroscope operates on a physical property of spinning object, generally known as precision. Precision is the phenomenon observed in bicycle wheel experiment. If an input force is applied against the spin axis, the wheel will resist it by generating an output force perpendicular and which is proportional to output. Okay, we all know that rotating object has some angular momentum which needs to be conserved. We all have heard about conservation of angular momentum. This can be done or this can be obtained when there is any change in axis of rotation. If there is change in axis of rotation, we can make conservation of momentum. There will be a change in orientation which changes angular momentum. As we change the axis of rotation, there will be change in orientation which in turn changes the angular moment. In basically, I will say that the working principle of gyroscope is completely based on this conservation term of angular momentum. Conservation of angular momentum plays an important role while studying the principle of gyroscope. We all know that gyroscope can be used to measure orientation, as I said, that is tilt or gravity or external force. Okay, some of the most common applications we can say that is gyroscopic compass. We all have heard. Again, aeroplane uses the concept of gyroscope. Okay, generally gimbals can be used to provide the spinning rotor with additional degrees of freedom. It has degrees of freedom. The gyroscope shown has both internal and outer gimbal, allowing the rotor to pivot around two different axes. As it pivots around two different axes, it has 2 degrees of freedom. Hence, it is called as 2 degrees of freedom gyroscope. We have generally seen different types of gyroscope, that is mechanical gyroscope, optical gyroscope, and gas bearing gyroscope. I will explain all these three in short. Generally, working of mechanical gyroscope is also based on conservation of angular momentum, as I said earlier. This is also most commonly known as gyroscope. They are generally called as gyroscope. It is depend on ball bearing to spin. It is generally depend on ball bearing to spin. These gyroscopes are replaced nowadays as because they are making more noise. They find an application in navigation of large aircraft, or generally we can see them in missile guidance. Okay, next one, optical gyroscope. These types of gyroscope are depend on rotating wheel. It is not based on conservation of angular momentum. This optical gyroscope is not based on conservation of angular momentum. Optical gyroscope uses two coils of optical fiber that are spun in different orientation. It makes use of optical cables. Okay, they are generally considered as durable and has many applications in modern days. For example, spacecraft, rockets, they generally uses optical gyroscope. And last one is gas bearing gyroscope. In gas bearing gyroscope, the amount of friction between moving part is reduced by suspending the rotor, which is helped by pressurized gas. The pressurized gas is used to reduce the friction which is present between suspending rotor. Okay, this type of gyroscopes find many application. It was used in NASA in development of Hubble telescope. Okay, now we will see different advantages and disadvantages of gyroscope. Advantages, we can see that Most MES gyroscope are light in weight, extremely small and inexpensive. Hence, it is cost efficient or it is economical, and a small size it occupies less space. Okay, and sensor resolution depends on largely on spin rate of rotor, can much be higher than other force or tilter sensor. As it has high sensor solution, it can be used widely. A gyros compass, unlike a magnetic compass, indicates true north as opposed to magnetic north. Okay, now we will see disadvantages of gyroscope. In general, they are more expensive alternative to navigation and tilt sensing. A free moving gyroscope is always dependent on rotation of earth. For this reason, fast moving objects moving on a trajectory from east to west cannot use gyroscope. Okay.